Hello, I'm just going to show you how to shortlist a candidate for a job. It's a really basic thing that you'll be doing all the time. First thing you need to do is get to a job. So in order to get to a job, you can either put whatever you want at the top here, search for the job. Like I could search for this job is called marketing manager, for example, marketing, and it will show me all of the marketing manager jobs on the system. So marketing manager, see the job there. Otherwise, I can also go in through the actual full job search, which will allow me to search on jobs from all sorts of criteria. If you wanted to, you could look for your jobs, you could look for your team's jobs, you could look for anyone's jobs that you want. So let's say I'm working on the marketing manager job. There are different tabs when it comes to the job, all contain lots of detailed information about that job. But the thing that you'll likely be doing is using your job shortlist here to fill the job. So this is your applicant tracking system through jobs on Talisman. The statuses can be completely customized to your business. So where some people have second, third interviews as standard, others just have a straight interview and that's fine. So you can have whatever statuses you want as part of the onboarding. We'll get that organized for you. To add people to a job, you'd click on add to shortlist. So as an example, I've got here is the candidate search, and it's the candidate search that you then use to add people to jobs. So for example, I'm going to tick CV match and job history, and I'm going to just do a search on English, okay? And I'll click list candidates. And this is really cool for being able to see the main detail you need to on a candidate before you even add them to a job. So here, I can see where in the CV that term was and what their last 3 jobs were, okay? And that allows me effectively to know that the candidates I'm about to add to the job should be on the job. So let's say I'm going to add these 5 to the job, these 3 to the job. You notice they've all got the same CV. That's because it's a training system, so sorry about that. And I can click add tick to job, they'll go on the job. Another really cool thing about this is that when I'm on this screen, I get to see this automate button, and automate is one of the most powerful features in the whole of Talisman. So this allows you to link this search with this job ongoing forevermore. So once I've added the candidates that I want to add from here, Talisman, if you get it to automate this search across a job, will keep on top of this job for you. And every time a candidate gets added that matches this search, and it could be a location search based on a radius and a postcode, it could be a very, very in-depth profile code search based on skills and that kind of thing. It could be a very complicated Boolean CV search. But what Automate does is it will add a watchdog to this job and just keep adding the new people into that job based on the searches you put in. And it doesn't have to be one search. You can link 5 different styles of searches from different angles to get the right candidates for this role. So that will help keep completely on top of all of your jobs that you have in, and encourage you to add people to the system, because just by adding people to the system, they're already going to get allocated on the right jobs. So anyway, now I've done that, I've ticked these jobs, tick these candidates, and I'm going to click add tick to job. And you'll see now I have, in a second when it loads, I have 3 candidates in initial now. These candidates here, and then the real fun of Talisman starts. So I can bulk send all of their CVs to the contact. So to the contact, the hiring manager that's asked for them. I can bulk email all of them. I can bulk text all of them straight in one go. It's great like that. I can review all of them one by one. So there's a review candidate button that allows me to go through all of the candidates sequentially, review all of them, review all of the diaries, review all of the past bookings, review the CV, anything that is helpful for me to make that decision on that candidate. And then I can click update and next, and it will take me to the next candidate. So it's really good at mass producing, mass filling, getting all of that communication out and making sure that you place those people as quickly as possible. And it will automate a hell of a lot of that process for you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.